In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ChatGPT using the official ChatGPT connector. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. This feature is available for ChatGPT Plus, Team, and Enterprise users, allowing you to access some really powerful AI tools specifically designed for your emails. You can summarize emails, search smartly, draft replies, and so much more, all from within ChatGPT. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Plus, the setup is simple and only takes a few minutes to get everything up and running. So to begin, open up your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Here, you'll want to log in to your OpenAI account. Make sure you're using the account that has the Plus, Team, or Enterprise subscription. Once you're logged in, look over to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a menu will pop up presenting you with several settings and account options. What you want to do next is click on the Settings option. Inside the Settings panel, keep an eye out for the Apps section. Depending on your version of ChatGPT, this might also be labeled as Connectors or Data Controls. Once you're in that area, you'll see various integrations that can connect with your ChatGPT account. Go ahead and find Gmail in the list of available apps. When you've located it, click on the Connect button that's right next to it. After clicking the Connect button, you'll see a Google authorization window pop up on your screen. This is important, so pay attention here. You need to select the Gmail account that you want to connect with ChatGPT. Once you've selected your account, Google will ask you to grant some permissions so that ChatGPT can access your emails and related Gmail features. It's essential to review these permissions carefully. You want to ensure that you're comfortable with what you're granting access to. These permissions are necessary for using features like email summarization, searching your inbox content, and drafting responses directly through ChatGPT. When you're ready, just click the Allow button to move forward. Once you approve the connection, ChatGPT will start syncing with your Gmail account. This process might take a little while depending on the size of your inbox, but rest assured it won't take too long. Just give it a moment, and once the sync is complete, your Gmail account will officially be connected to ChatGPT and ready to go. Now, what can you do now that your Gmail is integrated? Well, the possibilities are fantastic. You can ask ChatGPT to help manage your emails in a variety of ways. For instance, if you're tired of reading lengthy email threads, simply ask ChatGPT to summarize them for you. It can also assist you in searching for specific messages, generating professional replies, and even organizing conversations. By connecting Gmail to ChatGPT, you can swiftly locate important information in your inbox without having to sift through dozens or even hundreds of emails manually. All of this functionality can really change the game, especially if you frequently deal with a large volume of emails. In conclusion, the official ChatGPT Gmail connector is a powerful feature that can streamline your email management and increase your overall productivity. I hope this tutorial has helped you successfully connect Gmail to ChatGPT using the official OpenAI integration. Enjoy the newfound efficiency you're about to experience with your emails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.